Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and today I'm going to show you how to make a tassel using Tassel Cap Hardware. You can make a tassel out of any fabric that doesn't fray and you can leave raw edge. So that would be things like cork fabric, vinyl, leather, Craftex, or any other fabric that you can find. You can attach tassels to key fobs or purses that you make so the tassel will coordinate with the fabric that you used, or you can clip it onto any ready-made bag. They're great for using up scraps of material and they're nice for gifts too. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, we need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a piece of fabric. This can be cork fabric, leather, vinyl, or any other fabric that doesn't fray. You want to make sure that the width is 3 inches and you can cut however long you want your tassel to be. I cut mine 3 inches by 5 inches. You'll need a scissors or a rotary cutter. You'll need some permanent glue. I like to use either E6000 or Loctite. Both of these you can find on our website, your local craft store, or hardware store. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver. And of course, you'll need your Tassel Cap Hardware. So this is the nickel finish and it comes in 5 different colors. You can also choose from gold and antique, or gunmetal or rose gold. Included with your tassel caps is a small screw. Make sure you don't lose this in your package when you first open it. You'll also need a ruler and a removable marking pen. First, you're going to take your fabric and have it wrong side face up. Then you're going to measure a 1/2 inch down from the top edge and mark across. Next, you're going to cut the fringe. Either you can measure it out or just eyeball it with your scissors, or you could take this over to your cutting mat and cut the fringe with your rotary cutter. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a 1/4 inch fringe and you're going to cut from the bottom edge up to that 1/2 inch line that we just marked. I'm just going to use my scissors and eyeball it. Once all your fringe is cut, you're going to roll your tassel along the top edge and roll it nice and tight. So you're going to roll it with the wrong sides together. Then once you have it rolled, you can take a wonder clip or a binder clip and clip the end together. So take your tassel cap and some of the permanent glue and add the glue inside the cap. And I usually add a generous amount of glue. Then you can remove that clip from your tassel and put the tassel inside the cap. And make sure it's tight up against the top edge. Then you're going to take that small screw and put it through the hole of the tassel cap. And that's it. Your tassel is made and you can attach it to whatever you'd like. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for future tutorials. And I can't wait to see what you create.